Good morning, teacher. My name is Jose Contreras. Today, show you my fridge or refrigerator. And there are many tomatoes. There are some tangerines. There are any beans. There are much milk. There is a little wine. There are much milk, meat. Excuse me. There is a little. There is a little cheese. There are no. There are not any fish, and there are a little ice cream. And there are a few lemons, 3 lemons, and there is a little yogurt. And in this part, there are a lot of eggs. Thank you, teacher.